Hello dear ones, today my topic is introduction. You can see on the whiteboard. So someone asked me questions how to give introduction. So he requested from me then because many people they can't speak how to give introduction. Just I want to make you understand. It's a short speech about your introduction. It's only few lines. Okay, look at on the whiteboard. So first you should mention introduction. It means parichaya Hindi. First of all, someone give you opportunity to speak on the stage, then you will greetings to everyone. Okay? Hi friends, good morning. If good morning is running, you can say good morning. If afternoon, you can say good afternoon. And if it's evening, according to time, you can change anything. Okay, my name is. You can mention your name is. My name is supposed to. My name is Ayan Ansari. Then I will say my name is Ayan Ansari. Okay. And some people they speak I am Ayan Ansari. Some people they speak this is Ayan Ansari. You can choose according to you. Okay, you can mention next one. You can mention I belong to Varanasi. If you belongs from Varanasi, then you can mention here Varanasi. If you wanna mention your village name, town name, you can mention also here. No problem. And you will mention your educational qualification. If you are studying in 12th standard, then you will mention here I study in 12th standard from CBSE board or UP board. If you are doing your master's degree or a bachelor degree, then you can say I am pursuing in MA first year and a BA first year. You can mention. And some people they speak I'm doing my bachelor degree from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapit, yeah, or Delhi University. You can mention according to you. My ideal teacher, Mr. If someone asks you questions, who is your favorite teacher, you can also mention your introduction. My favorite teacher is Mr. and Mrs. Suppose my favorite teacher is Mr. Sunil Tripathi and Chetna Wadhwa from Punjab. And my hobby is. If someone asks you questions, so what is your hobby, then you can also mention your all things in your hobby. Hobby means if you get a free time, then whatever you would like to do, that is your hobby. You can mention your introduction also. My hobby is. If you have one hobby, then you can mention my hobby is. If you have more than hobbies, then you can say my hobbies are interacting with people and making new friends and reading newspaper and watching movie and playing cricket. And last line, I wanna become a successful. Whatever you wanna become, you can mention. If you wanna become a doctor, you can mention doctor. You wanna become a police officer, you can say police officer. Suppose I want to become a successful social worker, then I will mention I want to become a successful social worker. That's all. You will say last line to your listeners. That's all. Thank you so much for that's all. Thank you very much for listening me. And so please comment me how was my tips for your introduction. If you wanna speak more than many lines or a long speech, then I will give you tips on a second video, inshallah. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.